Hey everybody, this is Sonia. I'm coming to you with my Boxycharm Premium unboxing for the month of November 2020. Okay, this month we have Boxycharm Harvest. I got variation number 4. My personal favorite thing out of here is this Ilmask. I can't pronounce it. I can never pronounce it. This was my pick for the month. It is very pretty. I'm just going to run through this unboxing so y'all can see what I got. I got a Fairlight Pure palette. Very nice, very nice. I haven't swatched anything yet. I got the Dose of Color. I believe it's the same one that everybody got. Oh no, it's called Slinky, so let me see. Very pretty packaging. I love Dose of Colors. One second, everyone. Ooh, this is a very pretty gray gunmetal-y silver. That's beautiful. I also got cuticle oil. Wow, I actually got a cuticle oil from Boxycharm last year, I believe it was, and I still have a whole bunch of it. I mean, I actually have no nails, so I buy them so much, but this will be good for me. Let's see. Oops, sorry. 100% natural cuticle oil by the Lifestyle Company. And then I did get the Grown Alchemist Detox Night Cream and these awesome little brushes. I haven't seen everybody get these, and I was so excited that I got them too. I can't wait to try everything out. I'm going to be doing more unboxings coming up soon. If you would like to stay tuned, subscribe to my channel. I do fast run-throughs, and I will probably do a try-on section also. Try-on portion. So, thank you.